Hi there everyone, this is Rare Dog and I'm here to present to you how did I make the movie My Scooter Jilly. A lot of my friends are asking how did you do that? Well, first of all, I made a basic guide so that I won't forget anything to shoot, like this one. There's a check on the side, meaning to say that I already done that. My basic tools is the cutter and the straw. I use a lot of straw on that particular shooting day. And the major tool that I have is this secretary tools. It's always also broken, and I put a camera holder on the end. It's also broken. It only has 1 foot standing. It used to have three. Then my camera is a Samsung Digimax 3.2 megapixel, capable of capturing videos with sounds on 20 to 25 frames per second. I just attached the camera on the secretary's on the broken secretary's bar, then like that. After attaching the camera, I now have a pole that I can stretch like this. You see that? I can stretch now the pole or the bar as long as 2 feet, or I can make it on any angle like this or that, and even here. See this? Like that. Oops, there goes there goes the camera handle. It loosened up, so I'm just make it fixed like that, so I can put it anywhere on my scooter and tie it up with a straw. So there goes my secret. Hope you enjoy the video. Bye.
Hello! Andito ako ngayon sa Inares Center, Antipolo, at gumagawa ng shooting. Kita nyo naman yung mga props ko, ha. Yan yung ginagamit ko. Yan, oh. Kita nyo yan. May tali pa. Abangan nyo yung video ko. Ayan. Ito nga pala, nag-iisa kong crew. Si Dek. Siya lahat, ano niya. Siya lahat nagkabit ng mga, ayan, oh, mga props ko. Tali. Cutter. Tago. Kalat yung sulpa mo, no? Okay ba? Abangan nyo yung video namin. Pakagandahin namin, pati yung soundtrack. Bye-bye!